Leonardo AI is a platform that provides advanced AI tools for generating digital art and creative content. It offers a range of features, including customizable AI models and templates, allowing users to create unique and high-quality visuals with ease. The site is designed for artists, designers, and creators looking to leverage AI technology in their creative process, offering both flexibility and precision in art generation. Please subscribe my channel. The Microsoft Bing Image Creator is a web-based tool that allows users to generate AI-powered images by describing their desired visuals. Integrated with Microsoft's AI capabilities, it enables users to create customized images quickly and easily. The platform offers 25 free image generations daily, making it accessible for regular use. It's ideal for designers, content creators, and anyone needing unique visuals without the need for extensive graphic design skills. Ideogram.ai is a website that allows users to generate AI-powered text-to-image creations. The platform offers tools for creating unique images based on text prompts, making it easy for users to bring their ideas to life through AI-generated art. Additionally, the site provides users with 10 free image generations daily, allowing them to explore and experiment with various creative concepts. Playground.com is a platform that offers AI-powered tools for creating and editing images, allowing users to generate and manipulate visuals with ease. The site provides a user-friendly interface where users can experiment with various AI models to create unique digital art. Additionally, Playground.com offers a free daily allowance of 50 images, making it accessible for both casual users and professionals who want to explore creative possibilities without incurring costs. Tensor.art is a platform that allows users to create AI-generated art with ease. The website provides tools for generating unique digital artwork using advanced AI models, offering a creative space for artists, designers, and enthusiasts. Users can experiment with different styles and customization options to produce original pieces. Additionally, tensor.art offers 100 free image generations,